Lights.
Ellie, this way. The crew's busy setting up for Rhea's music video.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be. You're gonna be perfect. Let me show you around before the shoot starts. And this will be your first scene in the music video with Ray.
What? Awesome ride.
I told you, right? Look at the screen.
Oh, hey, Rhea.
Hi, I'm Rhea. Welcome to another
You will get ready in here and do a few warm-up exercises with Rhea in the music video.
Oh.
Next, you'll press this button and the styler will slide up with your fabulous dress. And then the next shot, you'll be strutting into the bar with your new outfit looking stunning. All right, from here, Chloe Guybot will bring you to your seat on set.
Hey, Chloe, please guide me to my seat.
I will escort you. Please follow me.
ServeBot will then bring you a drink. Then you will take a sip of your drink and start grooving to the music. Rhea will make her appearance on this huge LG micro LED screen. By then, our LG door-to-door delivery robot will already be on its way to you with its special package. All right, cut. You deserve it all, baby.
These guys really came together to make Rhea's debut music video a success. Rhea attended last year's CES as our virtual influencer, but this year, she's collaborating with Mystic Entertainment as a singer-songwriter. She's composing her own songs now, so keep an eye out for her first debut album, which will release later this year. When we talk about screens, we're delivering something transformative for the best viewing experience, no matter what your needs may be. LG Micro LED is designed to integrate seamlessly into any space. And because we know that a sense of occasion should go hand in hand with the best sound and picture quality available, we also equipped it with our latest future tech. LG Micro LED will be available in homes later this year. Oh, hey, guys, I'm glad you're here.
Hi, glad to meet you. My pleasure.
Now, can we talk about one of my favorite little guys? The LG door-to-door delivery robot, everybody. I mean, look at him go. This is one of LG's latest innovations, a door-to-door delivery robot that can run both indoor and outdoor journeys. This thing is a powerhouse of technology. It combines the latest in AI-powered autonomous driving technology with LG's world-renowned engineering prowess. Looking ahead to when fully autonomous driving soon becomes reality, the LG Omnipod will provide the means for all the things you can do while you're not driving. This exciting future mobility concept turns into a mobile office when you need to work, an immersive cinema with drinks and snacks on board, a personal shopping mall for virtual retail, or even a personal exercise studio. And when you're at your destination, Omnipod docks in and becomes an extension of your space, wherever you are. All incredible stuff and lots of new ideas for mobility. Very interesting. Now, I'd like to show you something special, when some really smart technology can prevent a day from taking a very different turn. Imagine a smartphone app that can warn pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers of imminent collisions with each other. Through a cloud system powered by 5G, the app collects and analyzes data such as users' locations, direction, and speed, all in real time, an impressive example of connected mobility. Users are alerted with sound, vibration, and warning messages whenever there's a collision risk, making the road a safer place for pedestrians and drivers alike. When it comes to driving technology, LG's digital cockpit is a cutting-edge, fully digitized setup. So, let's experience it with the future mobility we have in mind here at LG. Beyond the obvious changes to our living environment, the way we think about life has been affected as well. In order to address the diverse needs and lifestyles of our users, safer and more convenient vehicle component technologies will have to become a reality. By applying our decades of information and communication technology experience to the automotive sector, we hope that our vision will revolutionize the future of mobility. William, can you tell us a bit more about LG's vision on this, the future of mobility?
Sure. In mobility, from telematics based on ultra-fast mobile communication to digitally integrated cockpits and multimodal human-machine interfaces, we are transforming both hardware and software to reinvent your in-vehicle experiences. It's all about transcending boundaries so you can enjoy the comfort and convenience of your home wherever you are, even when you are on the move. So vehicles become these mobile spaces, versatile, connected, and intelligent, an extension of your home experience with mobility. And that really is the essence of our LG ThinQ ecosystem. So we can make our spaces limitless and our experiences seamless.